Good morning everyone. I am Swati Shabnam, your teacher of English from Rajkamal Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Students, in this video we are going to discuss poetic devices for the students of standard 9th and 10th. Now, in this video we will try to understand what are poetic devices, and then after we would one by one understand various poetic devices. Students, let me tell you that these poetic devices are also called literary terms or figure of speech. So they are known by the two other terms also, literary terms and the figure of speech, right? But mostly you get the use of these terms in poems only. Generally I am saying, not always. So that is why I am calling it here the poetic devices. So first of all, let us understand what poetic devices are. Then one by one we will discuss some literary devices, some poetic devices which are important for you to know. So first of all, what are poetic devices? So students, let me tell you that it is a kind of ornament or jewelry, you can say, for literature, as ornaments or jewelries are used to decorate somebody. So that is why these poetic devices also does the same work, means they also do the work of decorating the poem and enhancing its meaning, and also they are used to make any poem look beautiful. Not only beautiful in look but also beautiful in sound, so that whenever the reader reads, he can enjoy reading the poem and he can have more fun while reading the poem. So let us see the definition properly. So it is written, poetic devices are tools in the hands of a poet through which he can create a rhythm. So as I told you that poetic devices are used by the poet. Suppose you are writing any poem, so you are a poet and you can also use as many poetic devices as you can or as you want. So this is like a tool, right? This is like a tool in the hands of a poet who uses it in order to create some rhythm in the poem. Now, it is also used by the poet to enhance the meaning of a poem, and not only it is used to create the rhythm but also it enhances the meaning. Also it enhances the beauty of the poem or intensify a mood or feeling. Means whenever you use the poetic devices, your feelings and your moods comes before the reader in an intensified way. So students, this is what the definition of poetic device is. It is used generally to decorate the poem, to make or to enhance the beauty of the poem. Now here I have written few examples in which you will get some poetic devices used. One I have taken from the class 9th and another from the standard 10th. The one first is the road not taken. So students of class 9, they must have read it, and students of class 10 also have read this poem. In this poem also we have the use of so many poetic devices, and in the poem A Tiger in the Zoo, which is there in the students in the book of grade 10, so you also find a lot of poetic devices used in these two poems. Although the examples can be many, but because these examples, these poems have been read by you, so I have taken this as an example for you.